Hey guys, so when you log on to Blackboard, if you go into this module one, I just added something new that we were going to start in class today that I figured um, you could do at home. So if you go down, there's this new folder here that says Essay 1 or New Document. And if you click on it, it's going to say watch the video. That's the video that you're watching right now. Download this handout and then download and complete the outline. So the handout, I'm just going to open it to show you what it looks like. It's called Unit 1 Essay. And just like we talked about on Monday, you're going to see a prompt. This prompt is quite long. It has the title of the TED Talk you watched and the title of the article that you read. And what you need to do is figure out the most important part of this prompt, which is really at the end. Identify 2 of the ingredients from the article that you were lucky to have as a part of your previous education in school. It could be your high school education, your college education, your elementary education, whatever you choose. But 2 things that you learned that have been very helpful to you as a student. If you don't feel like you had a great education, or if you feel like when you read the article there was something that you wish that you had learned, but you didn't, then what you could do is write about 2 ingredients that you wish you had had and explain how they were lacking, how you didn't have them. So if you don't feel like a lot of the things in the article related to your education, that's okay. You could talk about the things that were missing and why. Okay, so you have 2 options here in this prompt. So my advice is to read this really carefully and do the things that we practiced in class, like analyzing the prompt, highlighting the key words in the prompt, brainstorming ideas, and so on. When you get to this step, fill in the Essay 1 outline, I decided since it's your first essay to give you an outline to complete instead of asking you to write one from scratch. So the document that you're going to look at next is called Essay 1 Outline. It looks like this. You're going to see on the left-hand side of the page the part of the essay, and what you need to do is to complete this right-hand part. My advice is not to start with the hook or the connecting info or the thesis. I would skip the introduction part, but the part that you really want to start with is that first ingredient that you were lucky to have, or if you choose the other idea, that you were missing. Okay, so choose that first ingredient. And then you're going to provide evidence from the article or from the TED Talk, so you could include ideas here or quotes that connect back to that first ingredient so that we can understand how it really was a part of your education or how it was missing. I didn't include that second option here on the outline, but you can absolutely choose that if you would like. Some ideas to include are here. And then you've got your second ingredient, so choose that second ingredient. Give us some ideas and evidence from the article and the TED Talk and your own experience. And then you've got your conclusion and you can go back and add your introduction. That's how I would do it. So my hope is that by the time you guys come in on Friday, this side of the outline will be completed with your ideas and information. If you have questions about that, if it doesn't make sense, just send me an email, or even we can hop on Zoom at some point between now and Friday if you have questions. I hope that we will be back on Friday in class. That's it. Let me know if any of it is confusing, and hopefully you guys will have some good outlines.